Hey, we're here, folks. We're here. We're live. Good morning, everybody. Sorry I'm late. I am late to the party. Sometimes how it goes when you have kids. All right. Carnegie, good morning. Trading Ever After, good morning. Here's Johnny. Good morning. Black Coffee Trader. Dean Bishop. Timbo. Go and Trades. Jam Bear. Good morning, fellas. Wow, this market is something else. I mean, this is absolute mayhem. Ay. Jam Bear, Trent, Joyce, good morning. Perfect Play, D Versatility, Carolina, Philip Green, good morning. Let's get it today. As you can see, I did take a trade on this account in the overnight session. I actually didn't mean to. I did trade. Where was I trading? Like, the overnight sessions are more like a normal trading day, and right now, like, this price movement is just absolutely bonkers. Like, I mean, it's crazy. Yeah, Jam Bear. I feel like strategies are just very difficult right now to really work. Maybe the strategies with V-shaped reversals, maybe those are working. I don't know, but oh, I tell you what, it's crazy. It is crazy. Like, if we look at the daily chart now, like, this is a turning into a pretty big pullback. Like, if we look at the highs to the lows, currently that's a 2,500 point pullback. My strategy right now is Hail Mary. Yeah, I feel like, yep, pretty much. I mean, the thing is that it's just impossible. It's really difficult because in order to have your stops above the levels and below the levels, your stop is so big that it's just crazy. I'll definitely only be trading micros on this account today. And I'm also going to try to stick with my plan of not trading until after 10 o'clock. And yeah, exactly, Tim Price. That is a very good point. No one is forcing anyone to trade. And it's not a terrible idea right now to just sit on the sidelines, wait until some of this volatility goes out of the market. But man, it is something else. Lots of money being made, lots more being lost. Well, look at that. This move at 8:30, which, man, I went and tried to pass evals on this move at 8:30, and yeah, epic failure. I had a sell order set right here at like the 65s. And it literally comes down, wicks me in, and then rips higher. And yeah, it was not a clean move this morning, or at least I didn't find it to be a clean move. So here we are again. We having to reset my 150K evals again. I tell you what, it's turning into a degenerate trading here on those 150K evals. It's turning ugly. But I am kind of determined to, my goal is basically when the $85 lifetime fee, before that ends, I want to have 20 150K or 250K accounts. Once that promotion is gone, then I will not replace any accounts anymore. I'll just go with what we got, and it is what it is. But hey, Don't worry. This is only a 200-point move higher. It's nothing. Nothing to worry about. Easy trading. I mean, it's just, I can't see. I don't know. I don't know how you trade this. It's just so crazy. Like this, like if we pull back to like here, it'd be tempting to go jump in, but I don't know if I have the nerve. You'd rather have this than the typical summer doldrums? Yeah, I guess usually in the summertime it's like really volatility is pretty bad, or it's very slow. Not this summer. Nope. Hang on to your britches. Yeah, it looks like we're in for a pullback. We might see a deeper pullback here as well. My signals are getting messed up with the massive volatility. Yeah, yeah. Hey, good morning, Jeremy. Good morning. Hey, good morning, John. Good morning, Matty Matt. How we doing? Nothing like catching a 100-point move while waiting for the flight home. Are you serious, Matty Matt? That's awesome. That is crazy, but man. Lost 800 on 150K eval in the morning. Pre-market NQ and made it all back, going short at the open. Let's go, Black Coffee. Hey, good morning, Rosie Rose. How we doing? Trip Trades. Good morning. Good to see you. VIX is about to touch 20. Wow, that's impressive. Yeah, I feel like right now in this kind of volatility, if you trade with a tight stop loss, man, rest in peace, because I just cannot see how you can survive trading with a tight stop loss in these conditions. Passed my 150K yesterday, taking the day off. Let's go, PA Monty. That's awesome. Oh, is this worth trying to jump in? I think I'm going to do it. I'm going to have my stop below here. And then I'm just going to look for here. Actually, I just realized I shouldn't have done that. Shouldn't have done that. Just realized that it's not 10 o'clock yet. But like an idiot, I took the trade. Might pay the price here. And here we go. Oh, man. I hate this market. I hate it. I hate it here. And the overextended pullback. But I'm glad we got out. Yeah, we could pull back. We could test the lows here again at the 500 level, to be honest. Anything is possible. It is going to be difficult for me to jump on board to the shorts again today. Man, I tell you what, after such a crazy sell-off yesterday, it's crazy. Hey, happy Friday, R5 Studios. Happy Friday to you. Hope we're doing well. Yeah, exactly, Timbo. I say, hey, no trades before 10 a.m. 2 minutes later, I'm in a trade like an idiot. Oh my gosh. That's where I need a shocking collar. I really do need a shock collar sometimes. And then if I don't listen to what I say, and then it... I definitely should have been shocked on that one. But this is crazy. Like, this is 4 micros, and it took about a minute to lose $300. That's how volatile this market is. And now we're gonna make a bounce. Overextended pullbacks. That's something I gotta remember. Look at this market, man, trapping the longs. Man, we just continue to go lower. I'm trying to decide what I want to do today because here's my thoughts. Here are my thoughts on today. And I think we're going to see this market go lower, and it's going to trap people into thinking that we're going to have another big move lower today, and then it's going to rip higher. And it's going to trap the shorts at some point. Where that is, though, I have no idea. But I have to be careful with being too biased today. Hey, good morning, Thumper. Bill C, good morning. Orlando, good morning. Hydro Farmer, Professional Day Trader, Matthew, Rhino, good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Was down 2K on my Take Profit Trader. Now down 300. Whoo, let's go, John. You were getting really close to that daily loss limit. Need to watch the 200 EMA on the NQ starts punching through. That might not get that bounce. Yeah, I've been watching that right here at the 240s. There's also kind of a level of support here at the 430. The 420s are definitely an area of interest. So I don't know. I don't know what. See, now this would be an entry here, but dang it, I almost can't take it. I need to be patient. 426 target for now. Yeah, that 420 area I feel like is definitely a magnet. Took my first PA trade on the Dow in quite a while. Beautiful short. Let's go, Black Coffee. That's awesome. When Apex can you long US 500 on one account and short US 500 on another account? Jam Bear? No, you cannot. You can do that on an eval. With an eval, you can do that, Jam Bear, but you cannot do that on a funded account. The 420s. We all know the 420s are a magic number for everyone. So, yeah, look at this. Oh, it is hard for me not to jump in here. Hey, S. McGregor, you're up 1,300 so far. Let's go. Yeah, we have news at, is it 10 o'clock we have news, right? Like nothing major, but factory orders. That's not going to move the market, I don't think. But still something to be aware of, I guess. As we continue to go lower. And right here at the bottom of this range, the 560s. Oh. All the major news is out already, yeah. If I can help Nutty, I will help him. Not teaching, just suggesting 15 range. What? Right here at the bottom, 560s. I know it's not. All right, I'm going to do it again. This is crazy. Oh. Oh, this is going to, might have to. Oh, this is going to be painful. Come on, Bulls. Where are you at? Get in here, Bulls. Come on. You couldn't fill me there? I just can't do it. Come on. All right. Finally. Now we need to see this thing rip. Big green boner candle needed. I do not want to move my stop to break even yet. It's too early. All right, now I will. Trying to hold here, trying to get a runner. I don't know how smart this is. Not very smart the way this is looking. Jeez. Market is impossible. I might jump in again here. If we test this 560 area again, and as long as we hold the 540s, I might look to dive in again. Come on. I traded the news. I guess I did. That was not considered trading the news. Okay, this is hard to pull the trigger here. All right, we can have a pretty tight stop here. I think it's worth it. I think I'll tell you more in about 5 minutes. And we might be wrong here again. Oh, dear. Trying to catch bottoms. Yeah, that doesn't look good. No. Nope. You're just going to take her punishment. Wow, look at that rip lower. Okay, there we go. It's going to keep ripping. I hate. All right, let's see. See if the 520s hold. We're kind of making the double bottom right now from the pre-market. If that doesn't hold, then I got to be looking at a short. If this doesn't hold at the 520s, then we got to look at shorts, and the 420s are in play. There it goes. Unbelievable. Unreal. The trend is my friend. I know, right? Yeah, Thumper. Thumper, if you're more than welcome to make money. You can make your money however you see fit. Down she goes. Should have done a reverse order right here. You got clapped on one of the accounts. Well, if it's only one, that's not terrible. Yeah, it is all bearish. There's just it is. I agree. I just can't help myself, I guess. I thought it was a good opportunity for a bounce, but we didn't get it. We did not get it. Use ATR as a stop loss. Yeah, it's at least good to know the ATR so that you can kind of have an idea on what your stop loss should be. Caught a 110-point move on YM. I realized I had one micro instead of one mini. No. And you're up $54 on a 100-point move. Yeah, that does kind of feel bad. And now this is not even going to give me an entry. It's just going to go straight down to 420. I hate this. I hate it here, folks. This ain't cool. Ugh. Ay, ay, ay. You did 600 with micros. Oh, it's crazy how it's just crazy, this volatility. Yeah, okay. It's gonna get me in here. Oh, I should have pulled the trigger there. It's feeling very heavy. And down we go to the 440s. You all know this is like, I just feel like this has also got the makings of it's got the makings of trapping the shorts and just ripping this thing higher. Oh, I probably shouldn't. Really curious what happens here at the 420s. Down we go. Here we go. 420s are here, folks. Took literally less than 5 minutes. Oh, this is just some crazy price action. Is the 200 MA now gone? Oh, are you looking at on what time frame? I show the 200 EMA for me on the daily. There she goes, below the 420s now. Oh my gosh. Hey, let's go, Black Coffee. Let's go. This is starting more and more like a big crash day after day. It does. I agree. Is Tom Lee still bullish? I don't know. I don't know, man. No ripping upwards. We're only going down. I mean, it might. I mean, it might. I agree, but professional day trader plus 800. Let's go. Nicely done. Yeah, look at that. Oh, down, looking like we're gonna make new lows again. Probably need to just take short trades, stick with the short trades, and we just need to ride it out until proven otherwise. Is what we need to do. And there go the 400s. This is starting to be comical how much this price is moving. I mean, 20, 30 ticks almost at a time. Crazy. All right. Now we're getting our first kind of actual bounce here. Putting in a pretty big wick. The question is, do I go with my intuition or do I go with the trend? Oh, I know what I should do. I know what I should do and I know what I want to do. There's a big, and they both are conflicting. I have conflicting thoughts. You know what? We're going to go in with 2 micros instead of 4. Oh, come on. Give me at least an entry. What? All right, we're in. I'm going to have a big stop. I don't care. If this thing wants to go against me now, be my guest. This will, if I do get stopped out here though, this will be my last trade. Last trade on this account anyway. See? How? Maybe I need to join the DCA gang right here at the 480s. DCA for one time, baby. Oh my gosh. This is actually going to rip. Do I join the DCA gang? The trend is still on my side. Look at how bearish this is. Absolutely crazy. $330s. The $330s could be. And now we wait. We patiently wait. They say the trend is your friend. That's what I've heard. Trend is your friend. It's going to be important to get below this 428. This 420 needs to, we need to lose this 420 again. I could see this bouncing off of this. Come on. Don't be difficult. I DCA'd and blew my account today. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's not a good sign. Oh, snap. That was not ideal. Man, this market is crazy. It's trying to shake out the longs and the shorts. Well, guess what? You're going to have to come take me out. I ain't leaving. I ain't leaving. We are here for the long haul. Man, I don't like how we're struggling to get through the 420s here. That is not a good sign for me. Come on, Bears. I'm finally on your side. Now you want to make it difficult. Of course. Right here, big red candle. Big boner candle. Big flush it, flush it, flush it. I feel like if we get below the 410, 415s here, as soon as we get below this, this is just gonna tank. It's gonna flush again. But it is holding up. It's struggling to get through there. Oh, this is where all the... Oh, man. And now there it goes again. I don't like this. Oh, this is not cool. Man, this is some choppy action here. A big battle is going on right now between the Bears and Bulls. And so far of recent history, the Bears have always won. So that's where I'm okay keeping my trade. It's making me nervous, though. I'm not gonna lie. Man. Oh, I'm getting really close to killing this trade. I'm kind of talking myself out of it. I do not like this. I'm going to get out. I'm getting out. If I'm wrong, I'll be upset. But the fact we could not get below the 420s after 1, 2, 3, 4 tries is just not a good sign. I'm going to be so upset if this rips lower now. Man, what choppy action we got here. Crazy. I think we're going to, as soon as we break above this 480, look out. I think we're going to go test this 540 in a hurry. All the shorts are going to be trapped now. They're trapped. They're yelling. They're in pain. Now, if we get close up here, I'm going to take another stab at this short. If once we get close to this opening range up here. I haven't been looking at chat. 318 next downside. Yeah. Well, I'm pretty sure we would be stopped out by now. So glad I cut the trade. Hey, Speed Racer 5, how we doing? Oh, we're doing all right. Not great, but we're doing all right. Just, okay, see, this is where I want to take another stab. I'm going to do it. I'm going to have my stop above the opening range. These are some insanely big stops, but I don't know how else to trade this. Crazy. Look at you. We might have put in the bottom for today. Who knows? I'm hoping this EMA will hold. That's my hope here. This EMA will hold and we'll pull back. Even if we can pull back and hit my first target. But we could easily just have green boner candle after green boner candle, and yeah. And this was my fear in the morning, and now I'm kind of stuck in it. That we're gonna, do the one pretend that we're going to go another day of all red, and then it's gonna trap the shorts, and now we're gonna rip this thing higher. That is like my fear that this is what's happening. But trying to go with the trend. Hey, off to work, end of my day, 7:15 in the green. Let's go, Jeff. Nicely done. Yeah, not trading would also be an option. I agree. Yeah, I know, Orlando. Even with 100, like even with 2 micros, with where you have to have your stops, like I'm already down. I'm down almost $500 on the day, and that's how crazy this market has been. And I don't know what it is. What it is. See, we pull back now. Come on. This is we have to have a big red boner candle here for this to work. Because if not, this is just going to be a pullback and into higher highs. So, yeah, shoot, that's what's happening. They need to make another denomination that's smaller than 1/10 of micros. 1 tick equals 5 cents. Can you imagine trading? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Market is absolutely destroying me today. Absolutely getting destroyed. Oh my goodness. Ah, oh, you hate to see it. Give me a little wick above the EMA here, then sell it off. Trap the longs right here. That's our only hope right now. Does not look like that's going to happen. Need a big rejection here. Okay, big red candle here. Come on. Don't rip it back up higher. Big red candles. You gotta get through. Come on. Oh, we gotta get below this if we have any chance. Oh, man. Come on. Right here, let's go. Rip it. Rip it. Rip it lower. You can do it. All right, I like the close of that candle. Gotta see some continuation here. Big red candles, flush it. Flush it. Flush it. Come on, do not rip this higher now. Don't give me hope. My patience gland is pulsating right now. Literally pulsating. There we go. First target hit. Okay, now if I'm being aggressive here, this is crazy, but I'd like to go down to this pivot point. That's 600 ticks. That would be my best trade ever. But it's only one micro. If this is going to be bearish, we might as well ride it. Let's ride it down. I'm going to wait. I don't want to move my stop. I'm going to be pretty aggressive here. There's still a chance that this wants to rip and not make new lows, but I'm going to take that risk. Just need a lot of, come on, rip it lower. You can do it. Yeah, there we go. Rip it. I meant rip it lower. Sorry. Another thing I thought about doing is if we get below right here is to add one contract again right here at the 407s. Now we're Behold the power of the trend. Yeah, agreed. Yeah, DL, we're gonna try to hold. We're gonna try to hold. No guarantees, though. No guarantees. Hey, Herc, how we doing? Love from New Zealand. Let's go. Thank you, Herc. I appreciate the kind words. Thank you very much. All right, big red candles. Big red candles are a beautiful thing. Show it to me. Come on. Show it to me. Go test this 420 again. And this time, I need you to just rip right through it like it's nothing. You can do it. I believe. I believe in you. Come on. There we go. We need some momentum here. We need some momentum to get through the 420s. Go, baby, go. Go, baby, go. This would be my conservative profit taking right here. I am tempted. I'm tempted, but uh-oh. Come on. Don't do that to me. That was wicked. Oh. I'm trying to hold. Come on, red candle here. Close down. I wish I was in 2 contracts here. Then I could take one off again here, but I'm not. Trying to think. Okay, if I get out here, is there a chance I can get in again if we make another little pullback here? I do feel like there's a possibility that I could get in again. I'm gonna do it. Let's see a bounce again, and then see if we can get in short again with 2 cons. And then if this just goes lower now, then I'm gonna be sad. But I'd hate for this to just rip higher and double bottom right here. No, and there it's gonna go now without me. Hey, CA, thank you for the 20. The 20. Hold it. Thank you very much, man. That's amazing. Thank you. Thank you. You do not have to do that. $100 on 1 micro is plenty. Yeah, I mean, we got 260 ticks right there. That's crazy. Didn't even seem like that much, to be honest. Yeah, ES is going lower. I know, but it's NQ is starting to want to make a move higher, and I'm a little bit scared of this double bottom. I do think we're going to go lower, but I think maybe I'll get another chance at a better entry up here. And then we can kind of restart this whole thing. I'm taking this as financial advice. No, you do not. Yeah, see right here, this is the rip. We're doing that double bottom move. And now it's more just, okay, I don't know how much I want to jump in front of this now. That's a pretty crazy rip higher. Like from the 420s, you know, it almost came back to my break-even entry. That's crazy. Does anyone that's been trading for a long time remember a time where the market was this volatile? Which I guess in 2008 it probably was. Obviously. For us, you know, but the VIX is now at 25. No way. That is crazy. Okay, now I'm going to start. My plan is going forward until proven otherwise. I'm just going to look at taking my entries around this EMA. But it is worrisome that we failed to make new lows here. That definitely could cause problems. All right. Oh my gosh, that's so frustrating. I need to change my ATM on that because I did not mean to get that profit target already hit on that first one. Dang it. I might actually just close this. I hate it when that happens. I enter and I don't even have a chance to move my profit target and it just hits me immediately. It would never do that if I was trading minis. Okay. Now I'm going to leave it. I will add here. I'll add another contract right here. All right, see if we get filled. It's kind of risky. Come on, fill me. All right, we are in. Stop above the opening range low. And again, it's if we get taken out here, we get taken out. Man, this does feel like it's got a lot more momentum now. Ow. Shoot. We might get we're trying to go with the trend here, but it hurts. What a move. Wow. What a rip from the double bottom here. Okay, this is where we got to get a rejection. This has got to reject here for this to work. If it don't, then we probably got problems. Eh. This feels pretty bullish. I think we're gonna rip above. I'm trying to debate if I want to move my stop down a little bit just above this, but yeah, there she goes. Okay, then. Last hope is the opening range low right here. It's our last hope. This is our last hope. If we get taken out here, it is what it is. Yeah. Should have been in hindsight, obviously, but it should have been a big red flag when we failed to make new lows right here. Should have probably not looked for another short entry. But I don't know. Trying to go with the trend. Big red candle here would be really helpful. Maybe. Yeah. Oh. Oh, come to Papa. You can do it. You can do it. Everybody hold. Everybody hold the line. Hold the line. Everybody hold. Come on, we need to get below this 500. We need to get below the 500s. We need to do it on this candle. We need to do it on this candle. Come on. Come on. Oh, I didn't do it. Oh. We're in 50-50 range now. This thing could rip right up and it could roll over here. I'm okay. I'm leaving my stop where it's at. And we're hanging on to this one. Okay, here we go. Through the 500s. Let's go. Come on. You can do it. We can get through the 500s. There we go. Rip it. Flush it. Flush it. Flush it. Give me that big red boner candle. Don't bounce off the EMA here. Don't do it. Just pretend like it's not there. Yeah. Nothing else. Even trading micros with this kind of volatility gets pretty exciting. This is crazy. Come on. Need a good red close to this candle. Push it lower, flush it, flush it. Leaving for a bachelor party. Oh, let's go. Good luck, Orlando. Show me. Show me. Come on. Just flush this. Flush it. Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna take that off there. Just, I don't know. And then I'm gonna move this here. We're gonna just take profit here at the double bottom. We might take profit before as well. I don't know. Because right now, this is not really a confirmation. I mean, this, if we need to make new lows for this to really, for the shorts to really be good. All right, I'm just going to take it right here, I think. I don't know. That was one of them trades where you go through enough pain that once you turn green, you're okay with just taking it. That was a close call. That was a close call, man. That was one time where my stop was actually in the right place. It was actually in the right place. Can you imagine? And we DCA'd. Officially, I am officially part of the DCA gang. But I only did it once, so it's all good. I need to go fill up my water. And we're back. Okay, market, what's the plan? I mean, honestly, if we don't make new lows, then I feel like it's not a terrible move to just kind of play this range. But right now, this is looking like we're just going to keep going lower. The bears are still, they're still with us. But this range from the 440s to the 540s, 100-point range right here. 100-point range. And 100-point range, and it doesn't even look like it. It doesn't even look like it. It just looks like a normal range. Looks like a 30-point normal range anymore. Like these candles, like this green candle is 50 points. 50 points, just like it's nothing. So if we trade the range, then buying down here at the bottom of this range would be the move. We could put our stop right below the 380s. Feel like it would be a pretty good idea. But at the same time, okay, I'm going to take it. We're going to trade the range. Only one micro. Only one micro. I'm not taking big size here. But hey, one micro on 280 ticks. I mean, that's still 140 bucks. Which it's also a $150 loss, so. And we're just continuing to go lower. Right here, we're through the 420s now. Man, I feel I'm going to put my stop right here. There's just no need to risk this. If we break through here, we're going to break through the lows. No doubt about it. And we can cut our losses here. Wow, look at that move off the oh man. That you know that just traps some shorts like crazy. Let's see if this has the legs. See if she can go. Traps are both directions right now. I'm going to get out there. That's just, I don't like that rejection on this candle. I don't think I'm going to play the longs. I don't think I'm going to play for the longs. Feels too risky. Hey, take care. Take care, Orlando. Take care. Thanks for stopping in, Pine Tree Trader. How we doing? Good to see you. Steve K, how we doing? Hey, did I miss manage a Dow trade? Moved to break even, got taken out, and then it dumped. Oh, I hate that black coffee. That sucks. We've had it's just so crazy. I feel like it's very difficult to trade this kind of market. You have to have really big stops, which means you just kind of have to be okay with taking some big losses. And, I don't know. It is what it is. We kind of, okay, now this does look a little more favorable for the bulls. All right, let's move up. I want to see this move, and around here at the 508s, I'm going to get in again short. Still feel like shorts have a higher probability of working out. You made 10K in gold. Nicely done. Can you be in position in gold and NASDAQ at the same time when you have Apex? Yes, Robert, you can do that. Got into a trade before I measured the candle and realized you had a 30-point stop. I know, Citizen Zero. I know. Even here, like when this entry, my stop was below this, it was still 150 ticks. Like, that's crazy. Hmm. Hmm. Man, we're just chopping back and forth here right here at the lows. All right. Looks like we're getting ready to go lower. Get ready. Maybe not. Never mind. Oh, man. So you can break above this 50. Got to break above this 50 level. Okay, we're just chopping back and forth this little 30-point range. All right, let's see if we can break above the 50s this time. I mean, we're just... This looks like such a tiny range, but it's actually... This range is actually from the 15s to the 40s. So it's a 25-point range, but it looks like 2 points. We are holding. We are holding off the 420s again. So I'm starting to think this is going to go higher. Probably should have held my... Yeah, probably should have held that trade, but I'm not that upset with not holding it. All right, let's see. Are we going to make another move all the way up to the 500s? It looked like it. It's looking like it. Wow, what a move. That's what I was looking for. Got out, got scared. I got scared on this one. And now I'm scared to go short. And nothing like a 50-point candle. Like it's nothing. Hey, Cat's Amazing Books, how you doing? I'm doing great. I'm doing all right. Today's been a... Actually, not a... today's been an average day. Really not taking a lot of trades on my funded accounts. Because I mean, I'm trading this account with micros. But it's just... It's crazy. It's a crazy, man. This market is crazy. Failed seeming reversals are good entries on trending days. Decided to trade SPXL and TQQQ today instead of this. Someone mentioned something small in the micros. Those are it. I see, Mr. Wall Street. That's interesting. I did not know that. Show the 15-minute for a second. Let me... I have the 15-minute chart up. Here, I can show it here easily. Here's the 15-minute chart. Right now, this is looking like, basically we have, an overshoot. We had an overshoot a couple of days ago. But other than that, we just have this trending channel right now. And then we overshot it here, and we're right back to the low of the channel. And now we wait. Man, we came up right to that 500 level, and now we're all the way down to the 465s again. Short might have been would have been a good trade right at the 500s to go short again. There we go, all the way back down to the 450s. Man, do I want to? I mean, I could enter right here. I need to change this. But man, the best trade of the day so far is just that opening range low. As soon as we tested that opening range low and just short right there at the opening range low, don't get much better than that. Alpha Bear, how we doing? If the lows don't break now, we're probably going higher. Yeah, I mean it does kind of feel that way. Hey, Ronnie, finally requested my first ever payout today. Got it approved yesterday. Or yesterday, you already got it approved, Ronnie? Let's go. Nicely done. Round of applause for Ronnie. I don't think my payouts have been approved yet. I'm gonna cry. I thought someone told me that streamers get approved first. But nice one, Ronnie. Nope, I'm still pending. Wah 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 wah. Okay, I'm gonna do it. This might have been a dumb trade. Man, I thought if we break that, I thought we were good. And now it's just bouncing. Oh, we didn't even break this. We didn't even break this candle. Man, I don't like this trade. Oh no, I'm in 4 micros. Oh, dang it. Okay, now I definitely don't like it. Da-dum, da-dum, da-dum. That's on me. That's on me. I forgot that I had changed that. Oh, man. I might just have to take it off here. Dang it. I need to move my stop right here. And if we get stopped out, I just got to take my loss there. That was a dumb... Did not mean to be trading that size. No shot. You're going to bounce right off my entry? Oh, man. I hate when the market does that. Bounce right off your entry. Okay, 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 okay. All right, now we're going to get greedy. Because we can. Rib it lower. Let's go. Come on. Flush that 420. Make new lows. I know I would love to see it. Or just go ahead and take me out. I do still think we have a bigger chance of going lower, making new lows, than we are of pumping this thing higher. So probably need to just stick with that theory and just trade it. Oh, no, Flojo. Man, I'm sorry. Yeah, triple bottom, lots of support here at the bottom, but we also haven't really been making higher highs either. So I think we're more likely to flush through the lows here, but we'll see. We'll see. I think we could do either or. Looks like it's going to stop me out. Yeah, we're going to get stopped out here. Dang it. Well, I guess it is what it is. Okay, I am having issues. Wow, look at this. We got a crazy trading range going on right now. She crazy. Do I try another short up here, the 500s? I think I will. I'm kind of over trading. I'm over trading today. I'm just realizing that right now. You know what? I'm just going to take my profit there. We got to break out of this. We're right now, we're trading between the 510s and the 420s. I mean, there's a lot of money to be made in a 100-point range, so I don't really mind trading this range, but it'd be kind of nice if we picked the direction. And my mouse died. Can you guys imagine if your mouse would die right in the middle of a very important trade and you didn't have a stop loss and you couldn't, you would be hitting the close button and nothing would happen. Man, that entry was precise right there. Oof. This trading range is paying. Up 500 on PAs. Nicely done, Citizen Zero. That's awesome. Rookies use battery operated mice. Yeah, I know. I do have a cord, but usually I don't plug it in. And no cordless mouse for trading. Yeah, I feel like you would make that mistake one time. Does anybody really know why we hold losers and take the first green we see? I think it's in our mind. It's up here. I think who is it? I think it was Mark Douglas that explains it. The way that we are made is like, think of back, we're made to protect ourselves. So our brain, when our brain experiences pain, then our brain will basically try to get us to do whatever it takes to eliminate the pain. So if you're in green and the price starts going against you, that equals pain. So then your brain wants you to get out. Or if you're in red, that equals pain. So then it's oftentimes hope. Hope is why we hold on to our losers. We would never hold a loser if we knew with 100% certainty that it would blow an account. If we knew, that a loser's, this trade, if we knew ahead of time that, hey, this trade is going to blow your account, we would have no problem getting out immediately. But we hold on to it because of hope. The old hoperoos. I was asking about volatility earlier. The VIX was higher than today from February 2020 to March 2023. Are you serious, Dio? Are you kidding? Okay, I guess the VIX was probably higher, but have you ever seen the market when, okay, let's just look at the weekly. So if we look at the weekly chart, like these kind of moves, I mean, we had a week here in April that was a similar move, but 3 weeks continuous, like 3 weeks like this in a row, like I don't know. I don't know how far back we got to go. Probably here to February of 2020 is the last time it was this volatile. And look at this, guys. Look at how we went down, touched the 200. We literally touched the 200 EMA and we bounced like a yo-yo. I mean, this thing ripped like a super or a bouncy ball. This thing just ripped higher. And then here we overshot the 200 EMA a couple times and then ripped it higher. Look how far away we are from the EMA. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That's insane. All right, guys, I'm calling it. We're going to pull all the way back to the 15,000 level. You heard it here first. You heard it here first. Oh man, that's crazy. But that does kind of show you how bullish that we have been. Like right here, we were this far apart from the EMA. There's actually an indicator that measures that. Basically, it measures how far away from the EMA you are, and the further away, the more likely chance that we get a pullback. Actually, here, let's look. Now I'm curious. Okay, right here, we were all the way down. We got to go straight down here. So we were 7,000 points away from the EMA back in November 26 of 2021. Okay. Now, right now, we were 5,000 points away. So, I don't know, but I find that interesting. Interesting times indeed. Anyway, what's the market doing? We're just going sideways, man. This is what's going to happen when we're kind of putting in this. I still think we're going lower. The fact that we haven't just ripped higher now kind of makes me want to believe she's going to roll over. But I've gone back and forth a couple of times. One, going to have a big range and not much volatility. Right, the uncertain, but the VIX is measured differently than the range, I guess. But usually it's still correlated. Like usually, or it's unusual that you would have 2-3 weeks of a huge trading range without the volatility increasing significantly. The 200 MA 18155, it's acting like a magnet. Let me look at the daily. Here, now I'm curious. I'm going to do the same thing I did on, because on the daily chart, we are way further away from the EMA than we were. I need more data here. Hello? Here we go. I want to see more data. Here we go. I remember drawing this line. Very interesting here. This EMA is definitely acting like, I would not be surprised. But why do I show my EMA as different than what you're showing? I show it at the 220s. All right, looks like we're trying to make a move higher. Breaking above that 510. tempting me to go short. I'm tempted. If I do, I'm going to go lower size. Well, that didn't take long. All right, I'm gonna look for nothing crazy here. That was a quick pullback, but I don't like that. I traded during March 2020, and this volatility is pretty equivalent. I see. Difference back then, the entire market halted on a circuit breaker. It went crazy after. Oh, I can only imagine. I can only imagine. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I don't think this time it's gonna hold. I think we're gonna rip. Yep, there it is. Just take me out. I'll take my medicine. He. I'm just gonna get out. At least we're trading micros. At least we're trading micros. It's absolutely crazy trading with 150 tick stop losses. That is crazy. Okay, looks like the market wants to go higher. This 420 never was broken really, and I guess that should have been the clue. Finally made it back to my desk to make some money. Okay, Brass Donkey, good luck. Good luck. All right, here we go. Right at the mid initial balance. I don't really pay attention to it. We also have VWAP right here at 600 level. So I don't know. Let's see. And pulling back. This is looking pretty bullish. Looking pretty bullish, if I can talk. Can you hedge on Apex evals? Yeah, evals, you can do whatever you want. You can go long, short, or whatever. Hey, David Huber, how we doing? Yeah, I'd love to have a green day, but I don't know. Not turning out like it. But there's still plenty of time. Well, kind of. I do have to leave around 1 o'clock. So there's that. Okay, here we go. Let's see if we test the VWAP, test the 600s up here. See what happens. All right, here we go. She ripping. See if we just rip through this or not. Be tempting to go short right here, but I'm not going to do it. It seems like the bulls are pretty serious about things. There's a nice pullback though from the 600s down to the 50. That's a 50-point pullback. Unbelievable. Looks like 5 points. All right, I need to use the restroom. I'll be right back. And we're back. Oh, wow. Look at that. We got a pullback. A little bit of an overshoot on the VWAP. And now pull them back. All right. All right. Cats means I'm still waiting for June 15th. Wait, Cat's Amazing Books. Hang on. You're waiting from a June 15th payout from Apex? Or what do you mean by you're waiting it from Plane? Oh, so it's on Plane. It's on the Plane side of it. Oh, I see. That's weird. So you're waiting for your yeah, you want to confirm. You need confirmation on sending confirmation to set up your Plane account. I see. I see what you're saying. Okay, I mean, if we come back and test this the 540 here, I'm gonna probably take a stab at this long. Come on, don't go without me. All right, I'm jumping in. Okay, that irritates me like none other. Stop! I'm mad. I cannot move my... Hang on, I need to change my ATM strategy here. This is just pathetic. Thank you, now I can move it. Now, where am I? My stop should be somewhere around here. I did think I was into... Man, we're just messing things up left and right here. Hello? Did my data just freeze? Hello? I assume I don't know what's going on here, guys. Pretty sure I'm frozen. I am frozen in time. What shall I do? I'm going to reconnect. That was really weird. Are you down as well? Oh, everyone's down. My P&L was still moving, though. That's what's weird. Hey, Lucas, Trade of 8 Frozen 2. Oh, we're back. We're back, guys. It's all good. No worries. Don't worry about a little glitch here and there. It's all good. Just a little glitch. Little glitch in the matrix. Nothing to worry about. Oh dear. We're only seeing 100-point candles. Don't worry about being disconnected for 5 minutes. It'll be fine. Just breathe and relax. Lots of breathing, lots of relaxing. Man. Ninja Trader's working just fine. Interesting. Looks like we're getting some resistance here, right here at VWAP, right here at the 600s. Probably would have been smart to just take this off at the 600 level, but I might look to add around the 540s here if need be. It's kind of what I'm thinking. For now, okay, right here we go. Let's see if we can get through it. We can pump through the 600s. I think we'll get to the target pretty quickly. Oh, calm. There we go. Target failed. I meant to be in 2 contracts there. That should have been a lot more profit, but I guess we'll take it. My ninja went out at the same time. Yeah, mine's back. We're all back and we're good. You feel like you're on dial-up again, John? Yeah. Crazy times. Like I said, we're only experiencing 50, 70-point candles in 2 minutes. So if you get disconnected for a minute or two, it's fine. No need to panic. Lots of breathing and relaxing. And it's gone? Uh-oh, what happened? Mine's still good. Your trade of 8 is fine. When does the amount updates on Apex website to request payout when market closes? Kevin Alexander, so it will be usually anywhere from like 7 p.m. to sometimes it goes till midnight, but it's in the evening after the market closes. And it kind of depends, varies a little bit on exact time. I didn't answer about Rhythmic having. I mean, Rhythmic wasn't having issues until just right there. Wow, look at that big red candle. Sick. 50-point candle right there. Boom. 50 points. Ay. Trading NQ trades like soybeans. 5 minutes is no big deal. Hey, $100 away from payout. Let's go, Kevin. That's awesome. Let's go. All right, now let's make sure we have the right ATM strategy here. And I need to do some different things here. All right, that's better. Every little pullback here has just gotten bought up so far. Yeah, little. I use the term little very loosely. Um, see if I get filled. Okay, pulling back, testing maybe the EMA here or the 540 level. Or maybe I'm going to cancel this for now. A lot of wicks here. I mean, this is just getting bought up here at the 550 level. Wow, look at that bounce. Crazy. Man, I'm curious. How are you guys trading this? How are you guys trading this on funded accounts and such? I'm having a. It's crazy. It is absolutely crazy. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Uh, Trading a 100 tick chart. I'm short here. Wish you luck. Hey, good luck, UCLA. I'm just buying every 300 point drop. Not a bad idea, I guess. Or like I'm struggling with. Yeah, I knew I shouldn't have traded funded accounts today. I knew that. Made my money today. Now staying out. Let's go, Rad Poker. How is that account looking, Rad Poker? Just do one micro. Yeah, I should have. Yeah, the VIX is nuts. Your ninja chart is not normal. Try to refresh, log out, log back in, or disconnect and reconnect. Trade delays in creating new accounts. I see. Submitted for another payout. Let's go, Rad Poker. I love to see it. I love to see it. You will be. Is this your third month, Rad Poker? The August, like August, would this be considered your third month of payout? And then, so in September, you would be eligible to unlimited payouts. It's definitely Nutty Bear times. Yeah, okay, that's what I thought, Red Poker. Man, that's exciting times. I love it. I love it. Mama. Now we failed to make new highs here. Right now, just buying the dips here has been kind of the play. I might try it one more time. If we get filled, we get filled. Oh my gosh. There it is. We're in. We're filled. Everybody hold on. This could just rip right through this. Hopefully it doesn't. Give me a nice bounce, 80 ticks for my first target. That seems like a lot, but it really isn't. This is looking a little sus. Looking a little sus. Oh dear, hold on. This has got to hold right here. Or we're gonna get taken out. This looks like we might be going lower. Yeah, we're gonna get stopped out here. Unreal. 150 ticks in about 1 minute. Jeez. Oh man, that's rough. Yeah, dang it. Watch it bounce now right here. We could also roll over and go test this 420 level again. It wouldn't be that crazy of an idea. See if we bounce. Look at that. Now it's going to bounce. Come on. I might look for a short here if we come up and test this and then just roll over. Last trade. Last trade. 100%. Gosh, I need to have my stop all the way up here. For real. Jeez. Hmm. Famous last words. Hey, nicely done, David Hoover. Yeah, if I get trapped here, this is either going to roll over or this is just a trap for the shorts and then it's going to rip and test these highs again. If I'm wrong, obviously it is what it is. We'll just have to take her punishment. Oh man, she looks like it is going to want to bounce. Now I'm definitely making I'm just making some dumb trades here. I feel like being way too aggressive. My entry is literally support. Man. Not looking good for me. It is not looking good. Looks like we're trapping the shorts, and I'm one of them. Need a big red closing candle below the 520s. Once approved, how long does it take Apex to pay out to hit the bank? So once you're approved, they will send out the payments for the 1st through the 5th. Those payments are sent out by the 15th of the month. And if you were approved from the 15th through the 20th, those payments are sent out on the 31st. So it's not really when you get approved. Just because you got approved doesn't mean that you'll get paid early. Sometimes you do, but basically the policy is that you get paid the 5th through the 10th. Those payments will go out by the 15th, and the 15th through the 20th, those payments go out by the 31st. And then it usually takes a couple days to get into your bank account, depending what bank you have. I will say usually the plain payments go out faster than the ACH payments for some reason. Yeah, we're going to take an L here, folks. It looks like we're going to just take a big old fat L. Feels bad. But it's not the first time. It's not the last time either. I was just way too aggressive. I was way too aggressive on my chasing that breakout to the downside. Literally got trapped with the shorts. This market still looks like it wants to move higher. Man. I think we got to call it a day, folks. I think we got to call it a day. I've been chasing this. I've been over trading. as you can see. And it's just time. It's time to, isn't that how it goes sometimes? You go long right here on the EMA, and then we break through it, which then makes me bearish. And so I go short, and then we rip. If I would have just held, I'd be fine now. Those are the kind of trading. When I start trading like that, that's a good sign that it's time to call it. It's time to walk away. How's my overall day with all the accounts? Not great. Not great. Actually, I don't know how to say today went. I'm not happy. Let's put it that way. Trying to think if I want to show and make you guys watch the recap or not. I'll give you this. Let's just say there was a casualty today. I blew an account today, and I couldn't even believe that I did, but I did. I was literally, it's just impossible. I can't trade minis when the price is like this. I traded a mini, and I literally in 3 losses in a row on one account because of how big my stop loss was. Poof, count gone. Crazy. It happened right here in this choppiness. Shouldn't have been trading. Sucks. Now I'm trying to pass evals. I'm not going to say where I'm at on my evals because I'm going to jinx it. But let's hope that by the end of the day, you know what? I am going to show it. I'm going to show it. And then at the end of the day, when I do my recap video, I'm also going to show you again. Let's just hope. I might as well show it to you guys. You know, why not? So here's where I am on my evals. Pretty good, right? Yeah, it's awesome. You know what? What's really crazy? Right here is my trades on the evals. I have gotten to this amount trading 2 contracts. 2 contracts only. Like, it's crazy. Like, I went long here, went long here. And it's just crazy. But then here are my other accounts. Here's the funded accounts. Here's what matters. And this is the account that bit the old dust. I did have a decent day on the other accounts, I guess. But I just had too big of a stop loss. And I mean, I don't know. I shouldn't have been trading minis. I should not have been trading minis on these accounts. And wouldn't you believe it? So some of this profit was in the overnight session, but I only had this account left to trade for during the day session. Like, this was the only account that I had remaining to trade. And I was literally looking to get 22 ticks on 2 trades. I wanted $212, like right here. That's the only thing I was looking for. And could you believe it? 3 straight losing trades with way too big of a stop loss. And yeah, there you go. There you have it. That's what happens. But I am thinking about changing. So I'm 2,000 away from my profit target. This account here, I don't know what happened here, but this account is lagging quite a bit. So I'm thinking about switching over and trading them one at a time. So I might do that. But anyway, from now until close, I mean, I guess we could, if we wanted to, we could trade these on stream. And pass these on stream. I feel like I'm asking for... I've already jinxed myself by showing you guys how close I am. So if I trade these on stream now, I'm 100% going to blow these. 100% will blow them. But it would be good entertainment, I guess. Do we want to do it? I'm basically just buying the dips here. That's what I've been doing. 1 to 2 contracts. I DCA'd in twice, I think. I'm worried you might go nuts on my fund. No, I'm done trading my funded accounts. I'm done. I am officially done. I thought I could make my, it's the same old story. It's the same old story. I'm not going to keep repeating it. But on the blown account, big stop. The first trade was just a loss. Okay, not that bad. I took like a $600 loss, but then the next trade, I thought, okay, I moved my profit target up to like 70 ticks instead of 22 ticks. And then I moved my stop even further down. And of course, the market, I never was even in profit. It just immediately ripped against me. 150 ticks. It was this move, one of these moves, 150 ticks or more in one candle. Just straight down, stopped me out. Anyway, okay. I do like a long here, but I prefer to, we're going to go in here. And obviously, as long as this holds, we're going to be okay. I'm basically just waiting. I want this to hold. I will add if this price continues coming down to like this opening range low, 540s, we will add. Why am I not in my ATM strategy? Oh, because I took it off. Okay. All right. We're going to just take our profit right there. I'm fine with that. One contract at a time to pass 150K evals. I never thought that would be a thing. I never thought passing 150K evals with one contract was possible, but I tried. So this is my second round of resets on these 50Ks. Okay. So the other day we had these accounts to like 40. Actually, I think it was like 5,600 or something. And then I traded what was it? The Amazon or Apple earnings, something. It was 2 days ago. I tried trading that. Boom, blew the accounts. Three contracts, and I blew it. And then yesterday I reset them again, and I tried this morning to pass. So yesterday I actually had them at like 3,000 in profit, and I only basically had a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So if I could make 5,000 or lose 5,000, and then I would be really close to passing the 5 evals from yesterday. So that's what I did this morning right here. And of course, I had my buy stop order right here with, I don't even know how many contracts, but it wasn't even that many contracts. And it goes down. If you guys were watching, it went down, it wicked me in, and then it wicked all the way up here, and then it went down. So that last, like this wick higher, blew the accounts. So here we are, round number 3. And now we're at 7,400. I mean, Lord have mercy, get the women and kids out of this house if I blow these accounts. I'm not kidding. There will be some ugliness happening. That's all I'm saying. It will be ugly. Because I'm sick and tired of trying to pass these 150Ks. And on top, anyway. All right, pulling back again. I'm waiting for, like, preferably an entry around here, 560s. I might take one entry here and then wait for the next one. Hello? What the heck was that? All right, we're just going to capture a little bitty at a time. We're not going to be greedy. I forgot to change my ATM here. The main thing I got to do is be okay taking a loss. That's the hardest thing with these evals. Especially when you start DCAing. When you start DCAing is when it's the hardest to accept a loss. Now I'm getting nervous here. And it adds up so quickly, like one contract. And you can be down $1,000 in a blink of an eye. As long as we hold this, no need to panic. Stay with me. Stay with me. Might have to join the DCA gang on this one. DCA gang for life. I try not to DCA if I can prevent it. I much prefer not DCAing. It's way better that way. Breathing and relaxing. Breathing and relaxing. Can you talk about why the 150K? I mean, the only reason that I'm doing 150K, usually I would always do the 50K. I'm doing the 150K because of the promotion they're running. The $85 lifetime activation fee is why that's why. It's just, I really like the thought of having 150Ks with an $85 lifetime activation fee, but obviously there is a slight catch to that. And it is, if you blow accounts, it's still not much difference, you know? So there's definitely a reason they do the promotions on the 150, 250, and 300. Because these passing 150K right here, it's way harder doing it this way than on a 50K. A 50K, just way easier to pass. And easier to get to payout threshold. All right, rip it. I might get out here. I'm a little nervous about this one. Oh, you little prick. Really? You're just going to go and do me like this? Thank you. Uh-oh. Houston, we have a problem. Close all. I've had that happen a couple times. It's a little crazy. When market, sometimes I have to manually close some of the positions, so don't freak out. Everybody stay calm. Should have held. Daggone it. DCA gang right there would have paid. Would have paid right there, the 560s. We need one more good trade. One more 100-point move. And we are sitting pretty good. All right. We are just really, we're really just chopping back and forth right here at VWAP. What time is it? 12:30. Oh, man. Yeah, 0-day nutties here. DCA gang and the DGen for life. Starting to think like just going short here at VWAP might be the better play here. We've kept making lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. might be a better option here to go short up here. Look for the shorts to play out. Buy stop and at the top and yeah, I could. And they puckering in more shorts. Anyone here gotten the 25K to pay out or just not enough wiggle room? Oh, I know a lot of people that get the 20. A lot of people they like the 25Ks as well. Now, trading the 25K in this market condition, that might be a yikes, but you'd have to use micros. Yes, JMB. It's still 1 day to pass. Do we trust the longs one more time? You made 580 today trading micros. Let's go, Sin City Futures. I mean, I lost $500 today trading micros. So if that tells you anything, it's definitely possible to make a lot of money and lose a lot of money with micros with this volatility. How about taking a poll on passing difficulty among Apex, Top Step, Take Profit, and My Funded? You mean passing or getting to a payout? That's two different things there. I feel like passing an eval, I mean, I always find it's harder to pass evals if someone has a consistency rule for the evals. It is just been, I think it's harder to pass. I'm almost certain of that. Nicely done, Jason. Ooh, ooh, ooh. All right. All right, we're going to give it a shot. Trying to trade with a stop loss here. Come on, Mario, just rip it higher. You got this. Come on. And we're one step closer. One mini at a time. Question is, do I want to short up here? I think I might. I might take it. I know exactly where I'm getting out. If we break above here, then I'm getting out. Hang on. That just blew right through there. Let's wait. I don't like that now. We're not going in on this. Looks like the bulls are angry. Man, I could have held that one for a lot longer. All right, now we are at the 630s, 625s. She wants to go. Look at her go. Might fake out here. Trap the shorts or longs. Yeah, it would have almost got me funded, would it? Let me look. 590s and it went to the 630s. 40 points. It would have been $800 more. $800 more than where we're at now we'd be $300 away. Yeah. Oh snap. my butthole's gonna be tightening up hard. We're gonna be clenching. Man, right here, a short would definitely be a good move. I feel like we're right here at that top of the range. Oh, is it worth it? I'm already regretting this. Ugh. Feel like it's got the highest probabilities. I give up. I don't want to be in this trade. Just get me out of break even. I don't want to be in this. I don't want to be here. I don't want to be here. Now it's going to rip lower. See, this is where I start trading like this is where I start not trading so good because I'm getting way too concerned about the results. Yeah. All right, let's just see it pull back again. Definitely should have held that. Would have paid. Would have paid. Would have paid nicely. You hate to see it. Two contracts, 12 points. Here, let me do the math. 2 contracts. We're at what? Basically, we need $1,200 more. Doesn't seem like that much. 2 contracts and 30 points, and we'd be done. It's tempting. Tempting. Okay, here we are. Now this has me nervous. All right, where do I put my stop? Oh. And it's gonna just fill me before I move my profit target. Okay, you're fine. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. The other thing that I've thought about doing, see, if we play, this is how my mind works sometimes. Let's think about it this way. We're $1,000 away, right? We just need, well, this account we need 2,000, but we'll trade this account separately then. But we're $1,000 away. I'm doing some math here. That's probably not what I should be doing. What is account investigation at Apex? Got that after submitting all 3 days of trading videos. It just means you're under review. They're just investigating, yeah. What's the buffer on 150K to withdraw 5,000, David? So let me look. Let me do some, hang on. I got to take this though, man. Maybe I'll just scalp my way out of, maybe I'll just scalp my way to this. Hang on. Let me look. Let me do some math. If I would listen, if I would trade 10 contracts right now, I just need 1 trade of 22 ticks. That's all I need. 22 ticks, and then we're done. Ten cons, 22 ticks, and a dream. Let's go. I would be so angry if that rips against me, because the problem with that is I only have, we have 100 tick stop loss. We have 100 ticks. We need to get to 22 ticks before we get to 100 ticks loss. Like, that seems like really good odds, right? Those odds seem pretty nice. That's super easy. Exactly, Tame Tiger. My advice, be careful. 3 to 5 small wins is better than going all in and being wrong on the trade. Hey, we didn't ask for reasonable thoughts here. We want to we were full degen mode. Right there. Boom. I'd be done already. I'm just kidding, by the way. It is good odds, though. It is good odds. Like, we can't deny the fact that 22 ticks versus 100 ticks, I like my odds. I do. I really like my odds. Here, I'm going to take a trade. This is the pretend trade. See if we would have gotten it. I'd be so nervous. Yeah, we're not doing it. This is a terrible idea. Now I'm going to end up losing $300 here just on a test. See, now I feel better. I'm not doing that. That's not cool. That's not cool, man. All right, we need to devise a plan and stick with it. That's all we need to do. We need to just chill out. Everybody calm down. Everything's going to be fine. But this is starting to just roll over now. I don't like going for longs here anymore. Obviously, right here, the 520s has been a previous area of support. We probably would have the accounts blown right now if we would have done that trade with 10. Actually, the accounts would be blown right now. I'd be so mad. I'd be so mad. You guys have no idea how mad I would be. Let's not do that. That sounds now that I say it out loud, that was a terrible idea. Now, the question is, will this bounce? Will she bounce? I've got a feeling we're not going to bounce. I think we're going to keep rolling over. If we do bounce up to the opening range low, that might be a good opportunity for a short. So maybe we do that. Is it 30% based on total account balance or for each pay period? If you have 100K, you can make 30K per day. Rad Poker, I've had that same question and I am not 100% sure. I wonder actually if I can reach. Let me actually, Rad Poker, I'll reach out to my contact and clarify that. I feel like that's pretty important information to have. I'll let you know if I hear back, Rad Poker. I know how to reach you. But I think it's each pay period. I think. But I would like to get that confirmed. If it's the account balance when you request, or if it's each pay period. I think it is each pay period, but I've been mean to clarify that anyway, so I'm going to do that now. Hey, we are rolling over, guys. Rolling over. Man, I am really, 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 really glad that I did not do anything stupid there. Woof. The way I read it, it is the total account balance. Okay, yeah, but I feel like they wrote that when they were like, they wrote that with the assumption that it's the first time that you get to a payout, because then it would be true, but they didn't really clarify, like, you know, once you've grown the account, XYZ. Account resets for each pay period, so 30% rule applies to the new payout period. I see. Other people are saying total account balance. Okay, getting our first bounce here. Are we gonna rip? Okay, I might take this. No, I'm not. Ugh. It's really tempting me to go short right here. I should have. I'm too hesitant. I'm overthinking my trading. It's not good. Anyway, I'll let you know what he says, Red Poker. Because if this doesn't make new highs, then I like a long. Or if it doesn't make new lows, then I like a long here. All right, we'll take that. We're just going to stick with one contract at a time. I think that's probably the smartest play. One contract at a time, and then if we're within a certain range, we'll DCA into it one time. But not more than that. Not more than once. 2 contracts max. I overtrade my thinking. Anyone know for Apex consistency rule? Total profit minus the lost trades It's just total profit, what your account balance is in-house. I would not DC at all. Grateful. Well, this is only for evals. This is only an eval. But, I mean, it's usually not a good idea to DCA. But, like, right here, I did. Like, if I would enter here, I would enter here again. Like, if we're kind of in a trading range, that's the only time I think it's probably okay to DCA. But it's very risky. Not recommended. On DCA, is it just one contract or say 9? Not sure what you mean. You mean you can DCA one time on a funded account? All right, $1,000. We need $1,000 more. You made Red Poker. You made 15,000 today. Shut the front door. Everybody, a round of applause for Rad Poker, man. That's awesome. That is crazy. Can I ask Rad Poker on the one account? Okay, what size contracts do you trade? Because I can I can believe it with this kind of volatility. I mean, that is crazy. You're 10K, nice. 8 to 11 cons. That makes my stomach flip just thinking about trading 8 to 11 cons on a funded account. Jeez. Them are some big kahoonies. Nicely done, Red Poker. That's awesome. We're struggling to go higher here. I'm kind of want to go short. Gosh, do I chase this? I'm going to have a quick finger on the trigger here. Come on, you need to break. I need to break. Nope, he didn't break. We scalping, baby. We scalping. I'm scared. It's getting to that point where I'm very yeah, Rad Poker's on a different level than we are. We're down here playing Candyland. Rad Poker is playing chess. But you know what? That's fine. We all got to start somewhere. It's nice to have over 100K in drawdown. That is absolutely crazy, Rad Poker. That is awesome. That again, that's something like, man, having that kind of wiggle room is just crazy. And it's awesome. Got to see a push here. You know, today would actually be a really good day if I just didn't blow that one stupid account. Urgh. I don't like the pathway that I'm going. I'm blowing too many accounts. But in this market environment, I feel like you just have to make one little mistake with this kind of volatility trading minis. One little mistake and it's poof, it's gone. Any idea why no trader is among the top 10 richest people in the world? I mean, I don't know. Is that a challenge? You just can't trade more than one account. How many accounts do you have, Rad Poker? You trade one, you passed the 300K in one trade in about 3 to 4 minutes. You must have been on the right side. You have to prove yourself on that list. Do you know who Steve Cohen is? Okay, one. Copy. And there's the break. Oh, dear. Oh, dear. Scared. I'm scared of getting trapped. Oh, that was a violent. I do think we're going higher. Okay, little scalp again. Oh, I'm still in a trade. Oh, thank God I'm out. $650 away. Everybody. We need all energy and all power everyone has. I know this seems like it would be almost impossible to lose $5,000 before you make $650. But I'm telling you, it is possible. It is possible. I've seen it. I think we're going higher. I think this is going to keep going. No. Charles? I don't want to see a red candle here. I'm getting out. I'm out. Don't like it. I'm out. That's how we're going to do this. If I don't like some, I'm out. I ain't going to hang around and find out. And now it would have worked. You little prick. It's all right. Now we need to wait. Now we need to be patient. Just chill. 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 We need to chill. Is my TradeAvate working? I'm not currently connected to TradeAvate right now. Look at that. You piece of garbage. Unbelievable. How many PA accounts I have live? Well, after today, only 14, I guess, if I'm correctly counting. Unfortunately. Okay, so Rad Poker. I do. So it's based on the last, since your last approval, since your last payout approval is where the 30% is calculated. So if you got approved and whatever your balance was when you were approved, your payout was approved prior. And then whenever you're like, that's when it resets the 30%. And then whenever you request another payout, it's that time frame where it's calculated for the 30% consistency rule. If that makes sense, Red Poker. That is interesting. That does make it a little bit harder in a sense, because as you grow your balance, I mean, it still allows you plenty of wiggle room on the drawdown, but it's basically in between your payout approvals, which I'm trying to think how you could, like, what would be the pros and cons of that? All right. Market pulling back. Just kind of don't want to step in front of this. If this rips lower, then that's where I could be in a lot of pain here. And I also don't really want to be buying breakouts because it's kind of choppy. Right here is where I should be buying. Like, this is a buy, and then we can, you know, basically have her stop right below this. If we're wrong, we know where we're wrong. And let's not be greedy. Let's not be greedy in these moments. Let's just take our profits, take the base hits. We're going to win this ball game by base hits. We're not swinging for the home run. Base hit after base hit after base hit. When the July payout ranking video coming out? Good question. I am working on it. Oh, look at her go. Oh, I want to cry. I want to cry. Right there, we would have passed the accounts. Oh, spare me. If I have 5K balance after withdrawal, okay, so you have a 5K balance after withdrawal, you lose 2K and end back at 5K at 10 days. Will this get approved? Yes, you will. Or do I have to get back to 5K plus 30% consistency target for the largest profit day in that 10 days? No, you don't. You should, as long as you traded 10 days and your balance is above $2,600, you can request another payout. Johnny Yang, technically, if you have an account balance at 5,000 on a 50K, and you could actually trade for 10 days and actually lose $2,000 in that 10-day span, and you could still get a payout. Oh, I'm sorry, Young. Yeah, it might be a sign that you need to size down, maybe. No problem, Johnny. Oh. All right, we're just trying to scalp here. But this is also where it can get dangerous. But I'm looking for a nice long scalp here. Should have pulled the trigger right there. Little pull back and tested the opening range low. Looks like she wants to keep going higher. No. Do not trap me here. Son of a pickle. I think we're still good. We're still good. Oof, that one was a little more. I'm shaking. I'm literally shaking. This is not cool. I don't think I've ever been this nervous with passing accounts. It's like crazy. The thing is the combination of doing it on stream and the combination of knowing it could go horribly wrong. I feel like I'm one trade away from whoosh, seeing 100-point drop lower out of nowhere. You do have to pay the monthly fee until you convert. Yes. Thank you, Red Poker. How long can you keep a past eval? Yeah, Rue. Yep. Have a nice weekend. Take care, Breast Donkey. Thanks for stopping in. Appreciate it. For the promo, that means I only have 1 day to pass the challenge. Bree Wade. No. You can take as long as you want to pass the challenge. That is one thing I feel like I should clarify a lot more, because one thing, right when I came into the prop firm industry, back when I came into the prop firm industry, Apex was 7 days to pass. And for probably 2 months at least, it was at least 2 months. It took me about 2 months before I realized that you don't have to pass in 10 days. You don't have to pass in 1 day. You can if you want, but you can take as long as you want to pass an eval. I didn't understand that until probably 2 months later. I don't know why I didn't understand that, but yeah, I thought it was a way, for the prop firms to get a higher failure rate because people have to pass in 10 days. And you really don't. No, you can take as long as you want. And if you're new, I would highly recommend that you don't try to pass in 1 day. If you're new, take your time, get acclimated to it, and trade with micros to get the hang of it and kind of get used to it, and then size up from there. My payout request submitted last night was already approved. Shut up, Tate. Are you kidding? Wait, Rad Poker, your payout has been approved as well already? I mean, I thought us streamers were supposed to get privilege or something. What's going on here? I'm still showing as pending. I'm going to throw a fit. I'm going to submit 10 different support tickets. I'm just kidding. Nicely done on getting approved quickly. That's awesome. I requested 30K and they will wait until the last day to approve. I promise they don't go by the amounts. Oh, you did? Let's go, Rad Poker. They're using your payout to pay them. No, what they're doing, Dean Bishop, right now, all the resets that I've done on these 150K accounts, that's what's being used to pay out Rad Poker right now. I wouldn't be happier. I wouldn't be happier donating my money to a better cause. You're Kellyanne. Oh, how the turns have tabled. Okay, market. Oh, this is ugly this is not a great time to try to pass these either. Man, I'm breathing and relaxing. Yes, trading outcome. Well, it's good until August 15th. So if I pass these 5, if I pass these, I'll probably just activate them, turn them into funded accounts right away. But yes, they are good until August 15th. You can activate your past evals and have the one-time $85 activation fee. Why not just do one at a time for now? I mean, that's not a terrible idea, Almighty, at this point. That is not a bad idea. You know what? Let's do that. Let's do that. Trade copier is officially turned off. One account at a time. Hey, but now let's trade one account until we get it passed, because what time is it? Oh my gosh, it's 1:20. Uh-oh. I better check my phone. I did not think it was this late. Uh-oh. I've got 3 missed calls. I've got 4 text messages. Oh, man. Gosh, do I do... All right, I gotta go. I'm gonna take this trade yet. And, okay. Now it's gonna stop me out? Really? That's kind of rude. I do have to go. Man, I completely lost track of time. And potential there I might be in trouble. I might be in trouble. I guess I'm gonna have to try to pass these accounts. I don't think I'm gonna be back in time for the market close even. I think I'm... All right, you know what, Mark? I might just close this trade now. Come on, just go to my target so I can end stream and, you know, I can move it along. It's not going to do it. I might just kill this. I could. I could just wait. I mean, obviously, I'll just trade him Monday. I'll just have to try to pass them Monday because I have to go. And I don't think I'm going to be back in time to trade him before 4 o'clock. I don't think I will. All right, guys. I'm going to... Yeah, this is going to stop me out on this account. Well, I'm glad I didn't copy trade the accounts. That's a positive. All right, guys. I'm going to end it as soon as I get stopped out. You know what? Hang on. Hold on. Market does not want me to leave. Oh my stars. I need to blow on it. Nope, doesn't work. All right, I give up. I'm out. I need to go. All right, guys, I will be back, I guess, Monday. I might not get to doing a video tonight. My recap video might not drop, and maybe I'll do it tomorrow because, yeah, I completely lost track of time. And now I'm late. And anyway, I guess we'll see. All right, guys, take care. Appreciate all of you. And everybody say a silent prayer, or you can pray out loud. That's fine as well. For these 5 accounts that we can get these across, that would be great. All right, everybody. I hope you all have a great rest of your evening. I hope you all have a great weekend. And we shall be back on Monday. All right. Take care and God bless.